This demo walks through two types of custom object. One is the version controlled object called my purchase order, which has a master called my purchase order master. And secondly, a link object called purchase order item link, which links the purchase order as role A object and the item which we have seen in the previous demo as role B object. Let's see the creation of a purchase order. To create a purchase order, one has to navigate to product folders and hit the new purchase order action. This pops up a new window to create a purchase order. The number is auto generated. The location auto select as the purchase order folder, which is listed here. Select the vendor or create a vendor at runtime. So let's select a vendor. Selected Foxconn. Select the warehouse. I selected the Bangalore West warehouse. Select the validity. Let's say this purchase order is valid from today until the end of the month. Click Next to add the items to the purchase order. Use the Add Item Picker action. We can have a number or click search, which lists all the items available within the given product. Select few of the items which is required to be added to the purchase order. Enter the line number, the quantity, hit next to add attachments for the purchase order, browse a file, and hit finish. This results in a new purchase order. As said, the purchase order is version controlled. We have the information of the purchase order, that is the purchase order number, which is auto generated. Current version is 8.1. The vendor Foxconn, the warehouse validity, other system attributes, the attachment, and the purchase order information page contains another tab called the purchase order related tab, listing two sections: the ordered item, the list of order item, and the history of the purchase order. To edit a purchase order, we can select the checkout and edit purchase order action. We can see the status of the purchase order is checked out, change the validity, say the 30th of Jan, if required, the warehouse, add or remove or edit the fields, say I remove one of the items on the purchase order, require add or remove attachments, and click check-in. Give a note, check-in note, and hit OK. Now the version is changed to 8.2 and we have two objects listed within the purchase order history. Now in the current version of the purchase order we have two items, whereas in case of the previous version we have three. We can also view the list of purchase order from the folder of a given product. We can delete a purchase order by selecting the delete purchase order action. The checkout and edit purchase order and delete purchase order will be disabled if the object is checked out. Let's say I have checked out the object and I cancel. You can see the actions are disabled. Undo checkout. Now we can see the check-in and checkout actions are disabled. To delete a purchase order, we select the delete purchase order, ask for a confirmation, and we say OK. This results in deleting a selected purchase order. By this, we come to an end of this demo. Thank you.